Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can change your navigation style in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, so let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Then you have to click on gestures. Here it is navigation mode. You have to tap on gestures navigation like this, and you can see three dots are now disabled and it is not showing. Gestures is now enabled. When you just swipe right hand side, you will see it will back, and if you want to go to home screen, you have to swipe up like this, and if you want to go to your recent apps, then you have to swipe up and release the button. You will see the recent tabs are now here. This is how you can enable it, and if you want to disable it, just click on gestures navigation, click on three buttons. The gestures navigation is disabled successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.